Hello and welcome to today's video. My name is Angie and today we're going to talk about how to use this UCommons Orientation. I will walk you through the steps you need to take in order to find the UCommons Orientation to help you complete all the pre-arrival steps or pre-program start steps to be prepared for your studies at MIB. Let's get started. Okay, so first of all, you need to go to the International Accelerator Program, the IAP website. Go to the Before You Start page, scroll down and find the U of SC Live checklist. Follow these 5 steps very carefully, especially step 4, sign up for multi-factor authentication. There is a written instruction here and there's a video instruction here. Multi-factor authentication, which we also called MFA. It's a process of connecting an app on your phone with the university system. So in the future, when you try to log into USC website, the app will remind you saying, hey, somebody is trying to log in. You have to approve the login on your phone in order to log into the university system. The app is called Duo Mobile. You can see a picture right here. So make sure to go to the U of SC, the IAP website, find the U of SC Live checklist, complete step 4, sign up for multi-factor authentication. After that, you need to fill out this form, step 3 right here, this form, and then submit your account details to the USC team. Once we receive your information, we will enroll you into the orientation course you need on UCommons. Okay, so this step is very important. Please do not miss that. So after you sign up for multi-factor authentication, you submit this form. You need to check your USC email. And here is a video showing you how you can check your USC email. Check your USC email for an email subject, register your UCommons account. In that email, there are detailed instructions teaching you how to register and log into UCommons. There's also a link to training. And then you need to go to the UCommons registration website and use the login credentials provided in the email to register your account. Once you log into UCommons, you can update your profile on the left-hand side. You can add your picture in there, make it more stylish for yourself. Please edit your name and add a profile picture. From the main screen, you can click into your orientation course entitled My U of SC Resources, and then click on step 1. Let me show you what it looks like. So this is what I see once I log into my UCommons page. There's an interactive lecture, means I have one class I need to take, and I click on Go to Lecture. Let me switch to a student view for you. So after I click on Go to Lecture, see there is a long checklist of items for me to complete. These are your pre-program start checklist steps. This is a self-paced orientation, but that means you need to complete all these steps before your actual orientation starts. So let's check again. When is your orientation? Your orientation is going to be on August 21st, 3 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Doha time. Okay, so please make sure to go to UCommons and complete all these pre-arrival steps ahead of time. Please do not wait until the last minute to complete all these pre-arrival steps or pre-program steps, because something might be wrong when you're completing these steps. You might have questions. So please complete them as early as you can and reach out to us when you have any questions. So when you're going through them, click on step 1. You go through the process, look at the list. Every step should have some mission or some task for you to do. After you finish with these, click on Next, and then you'll be taken to the next step. Click on Next, then you have to watch the video here, click on Next, and then you'll be taken to another step. So just make sure to click through these steps and get familiar with the program you're studying in. One of the steps in step 3 is meet the team. Here you will see the team members' email, contact information, and what to talk to them about. So for example, if you have questions about UCommons platforms, you're not sure how to use this website, you can reach out to your program coordinator, Ms. Asha. If you have questions about tuition payments, academic scholarship, you can reach out to Mr. Atraf here. So get familiar with our team members and make sure you know who to go to when you have different types of questions. Click on next. So there are a couple of pre-start steps right here. You'll find some videos for you to watch. Sometimes you'll have forms or tasks for you to do. So please make sure to pay very careful attention to these steps. After you finish with all these steps, at the end, there's a Getting to Know USC page. Then you get to know our campus a little bit more. After you complete all the steps, congratulations, you are ready to start your MIB journey with us. And we can't wait to see you on your orientation day. Have a wonderful rest of the day.